At the headquarters of Everest Group, whose business spans finance, retail, and manufacturing, 1,000 employees are hard at work on their PCs. However, behind the scenes, a small IT team of just 8 people is struggling to keep things running smoothly. With the company's traditional PC setup, each machine requires time-consuming manual tasks like software installations, system updates, and data backups, often taking hours per device. When hardware fails or network issues arise, IT staff must physically visit each workstation to fix it. In total, PC maintenance consumes over 800 hours per month. That's equivalent to almost 3 full work weeks per team member, leaving little time for more strategic initiatives. Meanwhile, employee frustration is growing, with daily complaints about slow performance due to PCs overloaded with applications and data, which is hurting their productivity. Recently, the company hit a serious roadblock. The latest version of Windows doesn't support a legacy application critical to their business. Upgrading the app would cost over $100,000 and result in weeks of downtime. Security is also a major concern. Everest's current antivirus solution does a good job protecting against malware and hackers, but there's no way to stop employees from copying sensitive data to external devices, cloud storage, or even printing it out. Customer information, product blueprints, and financial data are all at risk of being leaked, potentially leading to costly data breaches. To address these problems, the company would have to invest heavily in multiple PC management tools, higher-end PCs, additional IT staff, and data security solutions. But this would cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and only add complexity to an already strained IT team. But what if there was a solution that solves all these problems in one go, at a fraction of the cost? Enter Sangfor VDI, a cutting-edge virtual desktop solution that simplifies IT management and enhances employee productivity. With Sangfor VDI, the PC operating system runs on a central server as a virtual machine. Employees connect to this virtual machine from any device, and the virtual desktop is streamed to them in real time, just like they're working on the local device. For Everest Group's IT team, Sangfor VDI is a game changer. Instead of handling each PC individually, they can manage everything remotely from one central location, whether it's software installation, security patches, backup and recovery, and performance monitoring. One IT staff member can easily manage up to 500 virtual desktop users. Template VMs allow IT staff to tailor virtual desktops for departments like sales, accounting, and marketing, with updates to a single template instantly reflected across all users. Sangfor VDI's Intelligent Operations and Maintenance IOM platform takes things a step further. Powered by AI, it automatically detects, diagnoses, and recommends solutions for IT issues, reducing operational costs by 60% and cutting maintenance time by over 80%. This allows the company's IT team to allocate more time and resources to business innovation. And with fewer applications and data stored locally, they can switch to lower-end PCs or thin clients, improving productivity and business continuity through shared hardware resources, reducing failures, and cutting electricity bills. And remember Everest's legacy app problem? Sangfor VDI solves that too by running the app on a virtual machine with an older version of Windows, saving them a costly upgrade. Security is airtight with Sangfor VDI. Since data is stored on secure backend servers, there's no risk of losing data due to device failures. Strict controls prevent employees from exporting data to external devices, cloud storage, and even printing. Watermarks further discourage unauthorized photos, effectively preventing accidental or intentional data leaks. For external threats, the integrated Endpoint Secure protects against advanced attacks like ransomware. In case of an attack, the intelligent backup system kicks in to ensure a swift recovery. Sangfor VDI is a true one-stop solution designed to meet the unique needs of different industries and use cases. For hybrid and remote work, employees can access their virtual desktops from any device with an internet connection. Our advanced protocol guarantees a smooth and responsive experience, whether they're in the office, at home, or on the road. In hospitals, call centers, and other shift-based environments, user profile management ensures that every user has a consistent personal workspace, even when sharing devices. For engineering and design firms, the virtual GPU solution lets multiple users share powerful physical GPUs, cutting costs without compromising performance. For sectors where security and compliance are critical, like banking, government, and healthcare, Sangfor VDI provides robust data protection to meet strict compliance standards like HIPAA, GDPR, and PDPA. In training labs or schools, template VMs allow tutors to easily set up and reset environments between sessions, keeping things hassle-free. And if all you need is access to a single app, the virtual app solution delivers just the app without the need to load a full desktop, making it incredibly convenient. Built on a powerful, integrated architecture, Sangfor VDI unifies desktop, application, and server virtualization in one solution. It simplifies desktop management, enhances data protection, reduces resource usage, and allows compatibility with legacy applications. With over 2.2 million users worldwide, Sangfor VDI is trusted by businesses large and small for delivering unmatched value. So before you spend another dollar on more PCs, consider Sangfor VDI to unlock more potential from the same budget. And if you're looking for alternatives to VMware Horizon or Citrix Zen Desktop, Sangfor VDI is your best choice. Sangfor VDI, seamless experience, secure and efficient. For more information on how Sangfor VDI can help you, visit us at www.sangfor.com and let Sangfor make your digital transformation simpler and secure.